Google hacking is a term used to refer to any use of the Google search engine in order to passively gather information about a target network within the penetration testing process. In truth, Google hacking is nothing more than effectively using the search engine to query for very specific information. In this video, I'm going to discuss some basic Google hacking techniques. First, I'll discuss some of the advanced operators that can be used within a search. Any operator is performed by entering the operator name, followed by a colon, and then followed by the search term. No spaces are to be included anywhere in the syntax. The first one and most important that we should discuss is the cite operator. To use it, type cite, colon, followed by the domain name. So in this case, we'll try cite:/Microsoft.com. And you'll notice that all the results that are populated are only from the Microsoft.com domain. We can try this with another site, say offensivesecurity.com. And once again, that is the source of all the results that are populated. This one can be extremely helpful in a penetration test because it confines all results to a single domain, usually one associated with an organization that you're performing the test for. Another one that's important that you should know is in-title. If we try this with in-title and then the word cheese, you'll notice that the word cheese is included in the title of every single page that's populated in the results. There are a couple similar operators that you should be aware of, such as in URL. And in this case, the search term is always found within the URL that's returned. Finally, one other similar one is in text. And this will return only results in which the search term is found within the text of the website. Another important operator that you should be familiar with is the extension operator. To use this, type ext:, followed by any extension type. So we could try like PDF. And then all of the results that are returned are of the PDF document type. Another example would be txt. And then only text documents are returned. We can combine this operator with different search terms as well. For example, if we only wanted to search text documents about war, then we would use extension txt and then the search term. It's also important to understand the effect that special characters can have on your search results. We'll go ahead and enter the search term Blender, and what we get is a combination of two different types of results that are returned. One, your household appliance, and then the other, which is an open source 3D graphic rendering software. So let's say that we wanted to exclude any results about that software. Then we could use the minus sign and then remove a certain term from our results. So we'll do minus software, and then the only results that we get returned is our common household appliances. Finally, quotations are also very helpful for querying for very specific information. If we include the term offensive security within quotations, then it won't just return any site that has the word offensive and the word security somewhere in it, but only sites that have those two words paired together in a phrase. While we're here, we'll go ahead and click on the offensive security site. And the final thing that I want to show you is the Google Hacking Database. So we'll select Projects, and then select More Information under the Google Hacking Database. And then select the link for it. And what we have here is a whole collection of different queries that can be entered into Google to gather very helpful information, whether it be footholds to get into a web server, usernames, sensitive directories, web server detection, vulnerable files, vulnerable servers, error messages, juicy information. So as you can see, Google hacking can be very effective for gathering all kinds of information that you possibly wouldn't even expect would be available on the web.